So today we are going to be reviewing these lashes right here. I've actually already reviewed some of the lashes inside this kit on my channel before, but I told you I would show the rest. If I'm talking a little funny, I do have my retainers in because I'm whitening my teeth, but let's go ahead and get right into this because today I'm having like a little spa day. Okay, so today I want to go in with this set right here. You can see I've already reviewed this set and this set, so I only have these two left, and I'm feeling these today. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to start off by using some glue. I'm using Lynx Lash Glue, really good glue. I like this and the Clayless. Those are like my two favorites. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to press this just like at the base of my lashes. Nothing too crazy. For the last lengths, they have 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 millimeters. So I'm going to start with the 16. You don't have to start off that long. I do like a more bold lash, so that's why I usually start off with the longest one. But if you're not into like really long lashes, you can always start off with like a 12. That's a good one. So all you're going to do is you're going to look and then just place it underneath. They're so easy to apply and they last about 2 weeks. I would say a week and a half just because I usually don't leave them on 2 weeks. Like I usually take them off, but they still got a lot of life left into them. So I usually do 2 16s, 2 15s, 2 14s, and then if I need more, I'll put in the next one. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends on the day. And if you really want them to last a little longer, just take the lash glue and you're going to go up on, put some glue on the top side of it because you are gluing them from underneath. So you put it on the top side. So then when you place it on, it'll attach really easily. So I'm looking off right here because this is where I have my mirror. So again, that's as easy as they are to apply. Now I'm going to go in with my 15s. I'm slightly overlapping them as well. Now I'm going to go in with the 14s. Okay, and now I can fit one more, so I'm going to do 113. Okay, and after you have all your lashes on, you're going to take your tweezers and you're going to go on the back side and you're going to pinch your natural lashes onto the false lashes, and that's just going to make them last so much longer. So I'm not happy with how long this one is in the corner, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one off. And I'm just going to put a shorter one on there instead. So I'm going to go with like a 10. So that looks so much better. So now I'm going to go again and pinch that on my natural lash. Okay, and that is what they look like on. You can see this is before and this is after. It's always such a huge difference. I'm not wearing foundation or anything today because I do have to review some other foundation brushes, but I'll show you what it looks like on the front of the picture. But that's what they look like. That's from the side. So let me go ahead and finish this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so that is what it looks like with both lashes done. It took me hardly any time whatsoever to do this, and I will wake up with these beautiful lashes. I absolutely love them. Definitely give these a 5 out of 5. Really good, really long lasting, and they just look so pretty. And just to be able to wake up with lashes like this is everything. Like, without them, I feel like I'm naked or something. I always call myself a bald eagle without my lashes, but this is so easy to do. You can do it from home yourself without pain in an arm and a leg. So I've been doing these type of lashes for over 2 years already, and I have not went back to strip lashes. I do want to try like the magnetic lashes. I've actually reached out to a few brands to see if they wanted to collaborate with me. For those of you that do not want to put the glue and stuff, if you do not take off the glue correctly, you will lose your lashes. You have to use like an oil-based remover in order to take them off. But if you're taking them off correctly and everything, you should have no problem with your natural lashes. The only thing that I don't like about these is I can't use a lash serum to grow out my natural lashes, but because I do wear these, I really don't need to grow out my natural lashes. But if I ever wanted to, because most eyelash growth serums are an oil base, so they will remove your false lashes. So that's just something that I would like to do, because I do have a lash growth serum that works really well, and I would like to have long lashes on top of wearing these, but you just can't do that with these lashes. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.